What's up, YouTube? I'm back out here working on Ole Red today. And you know, typically whenever certain tools come out, it's an oh shit moment. But today it's not really. Because as you can see, I got my tap and die set out, which ain't a bad thing. Didn't break anything yet. Hadn't messed anything up. But what I'm doing is I'm putting the thermostat housing on, and there's just a lot of dirt and grime inside those threads, and I can't get my bolts down through them. So it's a 5/16 by 18, that one. Man, I'm just gonna clean out the threads. What I need to do is I need to go find my WD-40. Okay, we'll see how this works. But anyway, I got my WD-40, which I just like using WD-40. I like it, it works. Well, does sometimes. I like to put some down the holes. I also like to spray my tap when I do this. I don't know if I'll be able to get this to swing. I'm not going to. I'm gonna run them on down. Make sure they'll go in there all the way. See, they're getting tight right there for some reason. So.
I know you're filming.
And here's the wife.
But your ass needs to stay hydrated.
It.
Drink it. I don't care if you don't like it or not. Your old ass will get dehydrated too fast.
And y'all notice that she put that shit in the sun. So she wants me to drink hot liquid and keel over and die. She wants my insurance money.
Hey y'all, his cars will be going at for $5 a pop after he's dead. You worry about heat, you should be worrying about strychnine.
This is true.
Love you.
Sure you do. Oh. Anyway, back to tapping. That's the kind of stuff you get after 20 years of marriage. You get a best friend.